When Phytophthora is detected in a sample, it is visible under the microscope, and we can see that it is made up of lumpy threads called mycelium. Mycelium produces chlamydospores, oospores, and stromata, which are referred to as resting structures because they help Phytophthora to survive harsh conditions, such as the hot and dry summers of the southwest of Western Australia. When conditions are favourable, that is, moist and warm, Phytophthora produces sporangia, and about 60 zoospores develop inside each sporangium. The zoospores are released from the sporangium and are very small, 0.01 mm in diameter. You would need 250 zoospores to cover the head of a small nail. Zoospores are motile, meaning that they can swim in the water between the soil particles.